Okay, okay, let's go.
Good morning, friends. Actually, no, good afternoon. It is like almost 2 o'clock. I had a late morning, okay? So my mom just got back from her meeting and grocery shopping, so we are heading to Uniqlo today. The closest Uniqlo is like in the LA area, so it will take us like an hour and a half each way to get there, but your girl has been craving quality basics. Uniqlo is the only place that just really serves, you know? But really quickly, I want to show you my fit. So it's pretty cold today, so I layered up. I got on my beret, and this gorgeous jacket is actually my mom's. She got this a long time ago. It's from Coach. I didn't realize she had this, so borrowing it today. And underneath, you guys have seen me wear this shirt before. I call it like my Sedona shirt. It was only $12 from Target, but the actual design on it just really reminded me of like Sedona, Arizona, which we actually went to recently for my sister and I's birthday trip. But anyway, black flare jeans, and I'm gonna wear my docs, but I want to show you what's gonna make my outfit today. Is this purse not the most fabulous thing you have ever seen in your life? I'm sorry, but what? So the company Teddy Blake reached out to me and said that I could pick out any of their purses. So I selected this one. This is the Ava 9-inch Lilac. I thought this would be perfect for the springtime because I have pretty neutral ensemble. I have a pop of color with this shirt, but I just feel like this is gonna tie it in, make it look a lot more spring. So chic. I feel very Parisian today. Okay, let's go. All right, friends, in the car with my mother. Y'all were so funny in the comments last time. Y'all seem to really enjoy Mama Kayo. Mom, you have fans.
Thank you.
We're off on the road. It's gonna take us about an hour and a half to get to Uniqlo. I've never been to this one. Have you been to this Uniqlo? Oh, okay. Is it good? Good enough. The only Uniqlo I've been to in America is when I lived in San Francisco.
Oh,
So this is my first time going in like Southern California. Gotta love that 5 traffic. Mama Kayo's got a lot. Go, girl! guys, we just finished up shopping at Uniqlo. We didn't check any other stores because honestly we came all the way here just to go there. But now we're going to Mitsuwa. There's one in San Diego, but there's one close by apparently, and they have like a really nice food court from the looks of it, so I think we're gonna eat there. Ah, here we are. Bish, I'm sorry, is there a Daiso in here? Oh, hello. We're waiting for our food right now, but we noticed that there's a matcha cafe like right across from us in the food court. I'm literally looking up the reviews to see if this will be up to my mother's standards, because y'all know in the last video she was not impressed. The reviews look pretty good. I think we might do it. Looks like we're in Tokyo. This is from Demon Slayer. Mama, who are these boys?
I don't know, cute boy.
Cute boys. Norin? Norin? Yada. This looks like animal cruelty.
Just get the green.
You go first. No. Say something. Good morning, friends. Today's the next day. It is Sunday and I'm really excited because today we're going to get cream puffs. It is one of my favorite treats. I also forgot to show you guys the things that I got from Uniqlo. I'm sure you could guess what I ended up getting. So I only ended up getting two things. My mom got a lot of stuff, but I just got the Airism legging and sports bra. This feels insane on. Like, I love this pretty like jewel tone teal color. Actually, each of these were on sale for only $20 each. Okay, so really quickly, here is the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing today. I got this new like taupey blazer from H&M. I have on this lilac thrifted sweater. This is from Japan. And of course, I thought it matched perfectly with the sweater, so I'm also gonna be wearing the Teddy Blake purse again today. I just can't stop wearing this. Like, I love it so much. It's just stunning. Also, before I go, I just really quickly wanted to give you guys like a rundown of this purse. So here's the box the purse arrived in. It feels so high-end. Teddy Blake actually makes all of their bags in the same Italian factories as other luxury brands, so it's made with the same materials and Italian leather. When I first examined the bag, I immediately noticed the craftsmanship. The stitching is impeccable. I love the attachable lock and key. I just really appreciate the attention to detail. To open the bag, you lift these two straps and the magnet enclosure in the middle. The inside is also made with this lilac suede, and on the back there's an extra zipper pocket so you can tuck away easy to grab items. You also have the option to attach a strap so you can wear the bag crossbody or it can be handheld. I'm also so happy that the bottom of the purse has these feet to protect your bag from wear and tear whenever you set it down. So obviously the bag is gorgeous, but what attracted me the most is the price point. Most luxury bags of this quality will usually run in the thousands, but Teddy Blake's bags are a fraction of the cost. And on top of that, Teddy Blake is offering my viewers a discount, so click the link in my bio if you're interested. We got the cream puffs, now we're gonna get some coffee and hopefully go to the beach and enjoy. Are you okay? Oh girl. So we just found a bench to enjoy our cream puffs and coffee, and the view could not be any better. The weather is insane. Which one? Cream puffs on the beach. Creme brulee. We're gonna be trying cream puff number 2, matcha. Sans laisser d'adresse. J'ai toujours eu horreur des répondeurs, de laisser un message et d'attendre des heures. Je vous en prie, madame, faites que tout cela cesse. Plaza, cliché, je cueille les cafés, je passe ma vie dans les bars de ciné. Ma foi, je fais tout ce qui me plaît. This mysterious bro with a helmet. What's going through your mind? That grassy area over there, my friends and I had like a birthday bash and it was so much fun. We had a little picnic.
It's Justin Bieber. I'm not okay. Nor
Clear.
Nor Clear. Justin. Get that YouTube.
Hello friends! Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I know it was all over the place because of my meshy sense of humor, but I really appreciate all of you who have supported me since moving back to California. Honestly, I was a little anxious about transitioning my content because I know so many of you found my channel because I shared my life in Japan. But I feel like I'm slowly adjusting to life back home, and it's been really fun showing you where I grew up, my family, friends, and just showing you a different side of me. Your love never goes unnoticed. I appreciate every single one of you who've reached out to me and made this transition easier. Until next time, bye-bye!